Hey there, welcome back to another video. So today I am going to do another manicure, but this time I'll be using this dips from CN Designer. So I'll be showing you the colors in a while, and I already applied my white base and I used this one from Red Carpet Manicure. It is called Top Billing. So I applied that to save some time, and the white color will serve as my base for these foils. So I will be showing you how to easily apply foils, and yeah, let's begin the application. So the first color that I'll be using is called CUTIE. You've probably seen this a lot already because this is one of my favorite colors from CN Designer Dips. I love the pink color. It has a silver shimmer into it, so yeah, I always use this color. So again, I'll be using this and we'll be applying it on my thumb. Moving on to the next color, this is called Pink Chiffon, but it is white and it has shimmers again. I love this one also, and I'll be applying this on my pinky. So far, these are the colors, and I'm just going to apply bubbles, also from CN Designer Dips. I love this color. This is going to be my first time using it, and I am so excited because look how stunning that glitter is. So I'll be applying it on my middle finger. So I'm done applying all the colors and glitters, so I'm just going to clear and encapsulate everything off cam, and after that I'll be showing it to you. And this is after I applied clear. I am now going to activate using this Triple D activator. I will be doing all my filing and shaping off cam, and this is after I did that, and now it's time to apply those foils. So I am so excited to use this one for the first time, and I am loving this floral design. So I will start with the pink one. So I'll be using this foil gel from Gelixir. I don't know how to say that, but yeah, apply it on your entire nail. Make sure that the sides is also covered. For those areas that you put this glue on is where the foil is going to stick, so make sure to include those sides, those crevices, and near the cuticle area, but make sure that it doesn't touch your skin. And after applying that, cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds, and then I am just going to cut some of this foil. For the foil part, the area that is not shiny is the one that you're going to stick to your nail. So for the foils, you have a choice if you want to apply it full on your nails, and I'll be showing it to you later. And you can also like cut those designs that you want and just place it to a specific area on your nail. I will be showing both of that later, but first I am just going to apply this foil all throughout my nail, and as you can see, I am pressing it really hard, and then when you see that everything is covered, you can already remove the foil. And just in case that you miss some parts, you can just get again the foil and stick it to those areas. So this is after I did that. I really love the design of this floral one, and I am going to add another foil, and this time I'll be using the blue one. I hope this design will look nice beside my glitters, so let's see. So again, I'm applying the foil gel. Apply a generous amount and make sure to include the sides of your nails and everything is covered, and after that, cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds. So this is after I applied those foils on those nails. So now I'm just going to show you how to do if you just like want a specific portion of your nail and not cover the entire nail. So when you apply the foil glue, just apply it to the area that you like the foil to stick. So after that, cure it, and I'm just going to get the same floral foil and stamp it on my nail, or I mean stick it to my nail. So I just make sure that I get that floral design. So this is how it looks like. It is really super gorgeous. And now I'm going to do the same on my pinky finger, but I decided to use this other design. So I'm cutting the floral part and do the same exact thing that I did on my thumb. Alright, so this is after I did that. So I just want to add some foils. So I'll be getting some foils from this dip, which is called Rose Petal, also from CN Designer Dips. So I've seen this very nice pink foil, so I'll be getting from that, and I'll be mixing it with some gold foils as well. I will be applying these foils and will serve as a transition from the foil and then the dip color. So I am just going to apply dip base, cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds, so the dip base will serve as a glue for the foil. And yeah. So here it is. I also did the same process for my thumb. I applied foils also, and now I am going to apply top coat. This one is from Mani Boss, and I'm just going to top coat everything and cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. So we are almost done. This is after curing. Let me just apply again my cuticle oil, and as per usual, I am going to use Scales of a Mermaid. So this one is called Sweetness. This is a limited edition scent, so it's no longer available, but every month they release different scents, so stay tuned for that. And don't forget to use my code Jessie10 for 10% off at Scales of a Mermaid website. So I will be putting all the details and all the products that I use in this video in the description box below. So here is the finished look. So I hope that you've learned something about this video. So yeah, thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.